Open Inkscape, go to Document Properties and make the page size 500 by 500 pixels. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle by holding Ctrl and Shift. Now select the Pen tool and draw a stroke along the two sides of the rectangle and give it a stroke width of 20 pixels. Now delete the rectangle. Select the stroke and duplicate it and flip it horizontally and vertically by pressing H and V. Now place it accordingly. Draw a rectangle and give it a slight border radius by double-clicking it and adjusting. Duplicate the rectangle and place it on the other side. Give everything a black color. Now select all and group by pressing Ctrl and G and rotate it 90 degrees. Center it horizontally and vertically on the page using the Align and Distribute menu. Duplicate the rectangle again and make it rounded. Repeat the process. Duplicate the circle and place it in the corner of the page so that the center of the circle touches the page corner. Repeat the process for other corners. Select all and ungroup. Go to Path, Object to Path, and then Path, Stroke to Path. Now you can see this is a single object. Draw a rectangle of the page size. Select all and go to Path, Intersection. Select this resulting path and go to Objects, Pattern, Objects to Pattern. Now it's a pattern. Double click to adjust the pattern. Hold Shift to lock proportions when resizing. Draw a rectangle, send it backwards and give it a preferred color. Duplicate the rectangle and give it a blend mode of screen. Now you can change the color to your liking. This is how you create a pattern in Inkscape. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.